Good morning, this is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com, and today I want to address and talk about what a DissoMaster is. When you're going through divorce and you are married for a certain period of time, or if you have kids, you're going to need to find out what spousal support or child support is going to be. That means how much it's going to be. The courts, and if you are using an attorney, would use what's called a DissoMaster report. Essentially what it is a calculation that will take into consideration the income of the parties as far as spousal support, and including child support. It will also include what the who has the children, what percentage of time. So timeshare and income will help determine child support. Now, generally, you'd have to go down to the courthouse, down to the facilitator to get a copy of a DissoMaster, or meet with the facilitator so you could get a DissoMaster printout so you could include that with your final judgment paperwork. Well, I am happy to announce that we have finally purchased the software for the DissoMaster software, and we are now able to complete DissoMaster printouts for child support and spouse support right here in our office when you're representing yourself. So a few things I want to say about that. Number one, our service has just gotten better because we're able to provide this service. In the past, we've had to send folks down to the facilitator to make an appointment in order to get this printout. Now we will be able to do that for you in our office. And secondly, people that did not want to go to the court were using either an attorney or another service that were charging upwards of $250 to complete this printout for you. So this will just be an added service that we now offer with our firm. We're hoping to do it at no extra charge. In fact, if you are representing yourself and you are attempting to do your divorce case yourself and you need a DissoMaster printout for your case, we'd be happy as a free service to provide that to you, provided it's something that we can do quickly and easily for you, and you have an understanding as far as timeshare, custody visitation, and the income of the parties. Again, this is Tim Blankenship. Hope that was helpful in regards to DissoMasters. If you need to print out or need to find out what guideline support is in your case, please feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at 661-281-0266. Thanks for watching.